Now we will see another question how to solve it. Now look at here x is there, here also x is there. Here numerical coefficients are different. Here 2 is there, here 5 is there. Now we check y's coefficients. Now see y's coefficient is this one is 3, this one is 2. So we want to use the method of elimination to solve this one. First of all, I will mark these equations as 1 and 2. Here we want to make the same coefficients in these terms for solving this. Here only 2 is there, here only 5 is there. So we want to take these two numbers to same value. So I can multiply number 2 by 5. Then I can easily get 10. Here 5 is there. Then I can multiply 5 by 2. Then I can get 10. So from that we can get the same coefficients for x by multiplying the first equation by 5 and second equation by 2. Now we will multiply first equation by 5. Then 5 times 2 is 10x minus 6y equal 22. Now I multiply the second equation by 2. Then 10x plus 4y equal 36. Now I mark this equation as 3 and this equation as 4. Now I am going to solve our third and fourth equations. Now same coefficient is there and same sign. Same sign is there. We want to subtract the equations. So I multiply fourth one from third one. Then 10x minus 6y subtract 10x plus 4y. Then 22 subtract 36. 10x minus 6y minus 10x minus into positive minus 4y. 22 subtract 36, negative 14. Then here plus 10x is there, here negative 10x is there. This value is cut off to this value. Then negative 10y equal negative 14. Now I divide both sides by negative 10. 14 over negative 10. When you divide negative value by negative value, you will get the positive value. Then here 14 over negative 14 over negative 10. Then you can get the value 7 over 5. That means 1.4. Now you can substitute the value of y to the equation 1 and you can get the x value. We will see another question. There is a paragraphical question. Through this you want to build up the simultaneous equations. First of all, we will read this question. A company hires fleet of coaches and minibuses. Next, 3 coaches and 4 minibuses can carry 180 passengers, while 5 coaches and 2 minibuses can carry 230 passengers. Through this, we are going to build up the simultaneous equations. Now see, 3 coaches and 4 minibuses can carry 180 passengers. What means that? So, we don't know here how many passengers can go on a coach? So we are taking the number of passengers that can go to a coach as X. Number of passengers in a coach as X. Next, we want to know number of passengers in a minibus. So we don't know, that's why we are taking it as Y. Now see, 3 coaches. Then number of passengers in a coach is X. Such 3 buses are there. Then all the passengers in 3 buses are 3 into X, 3X. And number of passengers in minibus is Y. Such 4 buses are there. So all the passengers in 4 minibuses are 4Y. Its total add up to 180. This is our first equation. Now see, we will build up our second equation. Why 5 coaches? Then number of passengers in coach is X, such 5 are there. Then 5X. Then number of passengers in 2 minibuses. In one bus there are Y passengers. In such two there are 2Y. Then 5 coaches and 2 minibuses can carry 230 passengers. Then its total add up to 230. So these are the simultaneous equations we build up. So you can solve these equations from the method that we are solving the simultaneous equations. So we will do it first. I will mark this equation as 1 and I will mark this equation as 2. Now our equations are 3x plus 4y equal 180 and 5x at 2y equal 230. So see, there is any same coefficients in these x? No, here 3 is there, here 5 is there. Then coefficients are not same. Here also 4 is there, here 2 is there. Then coefficients are not equal. So we use the method of elimination. So I can make this 2 as 4 by easily multiplying the second equation by 2. So I am going to multiply my second equation by 2. Then 10x, 2 into 2, 4y, 230 into 4, 460. So I will mark this equation as third one. So I cut off my second equation because I get it as 3 by multiplying by 2. Now see, here 4y is there, here also 4y is there. Then same coefficient, same sign. What to do? Then we will subtract these. So I will subtract equation 1 from 3. Then 10x plus 4y subtract 3x plus 4y, 460 subtract 180. Now see, 4x, 10x at 4y, negative into positive, negative 3x, negative into positive, negative 4y. We are going to subtract 0, 280. Now see, here 4y is there, here 4y is there. This 4y is cut off to this 4y. Then 10x subtract 3x. Then you will get 7x equal 280. We will divide both sides by 7. Then x equal 40. Now you can substitute this x value to our equation 1 and you can get the value of y. We will see another method of solving simultaneous equations. Now we will see this question. There are two simultaneous equations. We are going to solve these simultaneous equations by using the graphical method. If you get such question, first of all, you want to take this equation in the format of y equal mx plus c. I am taking my first equation and second equation to the format of y equal mx plus c. So, when I am taking my first one, 2y equal negative x plus 10. Then I want just only y here, y only. Then y equal half x, negative half x at 5. When I am taking my second equation, y equal negative 2x plus 14. So I take these two equations in the format of y equal mx plus c. So you want to take the x coordinates for these equations and you want to get the y coordinates and you want to draw the graphs. Now I am just drawing a small sketch for this one. So, if these two lines are the graphs of these equations, the intersecting points, then here intersecting points are there now. Here x coordinates and y coordinates are there. Here, when you get the x coordinate and y coordinates of the intersecting points of these two lines, these are the solutions of these simultaneous equations. This is the way you want to get the solutions of the simultaneous equations using the graphical method. So, it's enough for the simultaneous equations. So, we will meet from another lesson.